The library explains its online catalog. Kai. Dennis is studying at the South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences. He needs books from the library for his seminar. But there are shelves full of books. How should he find one in particular? Thus, he asks the librarian for advice. After she showed him the library catalog, Dennis is supposed to start his search from there. The catalog is called Kai, which stands for Catalog and Information. A catalog lists the holdings of one or more libraries. Kai lists printed and electronic media, for example books, journals and databases, as well as articles from journals and book chapters. Dennis can access the catalog via the library's website or directly via a link. The librarian advises him that he can use various search scopes. In the search scope local media, he finds print media. Electronic media can be found via the search scope e-media. Within the search scope named Course Reserves, Dennis can explore media that his professors have chosen for specific seminars. Dennis can also combine the search for print and e-media in the search scope All Media. Using filters, he can then limit the number of hits and, for example, display only the holdings of his branch library. Dennis is wondering how he can find the books now. The catalog shows the location and a call number for each book. This is a combination of letters and numbers which are a guide to the printed book on the shelf. He can request books that are not available in his branch library free of charge from the other branch libraries in Hagen, Iserlohn, Meschede, and Soest. He will receive an email when he can pick up the book. He can access the electronic media directly via the link available online and usually also download them. This even works from home. If the library does not hold the literature he is looking for, Dennis can use the interlibrary loan service and borrow the book from the library at other universities. An interlibrary loan costs €1.50. Alternatively, he can propose a purchase recommendation. The corresponding form for this can be found on Kai. The librarian has shown Dennis the basic search for literature. He can now find the books for his seminar without any problems. Do you need literature like Dennis, but don't know how to find it? Do you need help with research? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The functions of the library account in Kai is explained in the next video, Kai Part 2.